If I lost my millions and had to start all over again, what would I do differently? All right, so today's question comes from Dario, who asks, if you had to start all over again in internet marketing, what would you have done differently this time? All right, so that's a great question. When I first started, all I really wanted to do was make money. In fact, when I was 24 years old, I started a blog on electronic cigarettes, and I got good at SEO, search engine optimization. I actually ranked this blog #1 for electronic cigarettes, electronic cigarette review, electronic cigarette reviews, and I had massive amounts of search engine traffic for this website. And on this website, I would review different types of electronic cigarettes, and if you bought one, after reading my review, I would make money. And at one point, I was making about $30,000 a month for a good 6-month stretch. But the revenue had gone down because the problem was I didn't give 2 shits about electronic cigarettes. I didn't even smoke. I just saw an opportunity to make money. Now, yes, I learned about them. I gave good info on the blog. I tried to do the best job I could, but I wasn't passionate about the subject matter. And so even though in the beginning I was banking, I was like the top affiliate, eventually just went down and down and down and down until I was only making $5,000 a month, and I ended up selling the site. And the reason for that is it doesn't matter how much you want to tell yourself that, oh, you don't have to be passionate about something, you just got to make money. No, that the human brain, the human mind is not going to allow you to do that. You have to be passionate. You have to be passionate about what you do, because that passion creates an output, and that output is good or bad, and more importantly, scalable based on the passion. My business right now that makes the most amount of money is I sell online courses. I sell my knowledge. Now, the reason I'm passionate about that is because I can teach something that I'm good at, that I love to talk about, and I can take someone who's not so good at it, and I can teach them how to be good at it, right? So I teach people how to, say, run Facebook ads or create a digital marketing business or a digital product business and sell their knowledge. I can take someone who is here, who's not making a lot of money, or even somebody who is making good money, and I can bring them up to here. And seeing that transformation, seeing someone excel because I'm teaching them and helping them, it is an amazing feeling. And that's why so many teachers teach, even though they don't get paid that much. I mean, look at the normal salary for a teacher in this country. It's not that much, but they still teach because they love it. Now, thankfully, when you teach your expertise online and you sell it yourself as a business, you make way more money. In fact, my first 5 months ever selling an online course, we did over $1 million, and I actually won a $1 million award for that and broke the record for it. And I did that selling my expertise, selling my knowledge, helping people get better at a skill that they want to learn. And so for me, the absolute first thing I would do is I would pick something I was passionate about. Even if it took longer to make money at or what have you, I would pick something that I'm truly passionate about, because the bottom line is it doesn't matter how much money you're making. 6 months goes by, you're gonna go down. You're gonna go down because you're not gonna have the energy to reinvent. You're not gonna have the energy to evolve. You're not gonna have the energy to keep ahead of your competitors, because it doesn't matter how much money you make. You're not gonna have it in you. I was 24, man, 24, making 30 G's a month. You would think that was enough monetary motivation to keep going and reinvent the wheel or reinvent myself and evolve my blog and make it better and keep going, but it wasn't. It could have been 3 million a month. It would have gone down either way because I was not passionate about it. But now I'm very passionate about what I do, and my business keeps going up and up and up. And more importantly, I'm happy about it. I look at people getting results from my programs, and that makes me happier than the amount of money in the bank. But don't get me wrong, that makes me happy too. Anyway, Dario, I hope that answers your question. Bottom line, pick something you are passionate about, because it does not matter how much potential or opportunity you see. If it's not something you truly love, you will eventually go broke. hope you enjoyed this video. Listen, if you want me to answer your question, all you have to do is subscribe. If you are a subscriber and you ask a good question that I think people would benefit from, I will answer your question. But you must be a subscriber, so go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.